picture this, I'm a 200 level university student and I'm sharing the hostel with 4 other roommates. On this way today, my bunkmate needed to pick something from my wardrobe. With my permission, she opened my wardrobe, searching for this particular item. And while searching through my wardrobe, she stumbled on 4 different sizes of stick, ranging from small to large. Her face was in utter confusion. Then she goes, "Oh, what's Toby doing with this?" It was weird. And then another of my roommates comes in, and then she sees the sticks, and then their thoughts were literally going weird, like, is this stick supposed to represent each and every one of us in the room? But actually, that stick was meant for a craft project. Now, if you're familiar with the days of wire work and you own a gizmo, you're supposed to use it to coil the wire around so you can give it that shape. Now, I didn't own a gizmo at that time, and I needed to have different sizes of that cutout wire. So sometimes I use pen, sometimes I use pencil. So on this page video, while in my university chapel, I stumbled on these sticks of different sizes that I could get the work done for me. So I packed them, cleaned them, and have them stored in my wardrobe. Now that story tells me that oftentimes creativity looks weird before it becomes beautiful. This is one of the things Zevida stands for. We transform discarded fabrics into fashionable accessories like earrings, necklaces, card holders, key holders, and every other thing in between. So whether you're in need of unique souvenirs for your Owambe party, or you need corporate gift items for your clients and partners, or maybe it's even a personalized gift for that loved ones, we've got you covered. We have over 20 products in our catalog. Send us a DM today and let's help you bring that your idea into fruition.